Alrighty, good morning. This is Dan from Rocket Thumb Garage. We are at our first videoed event that we're going to cover today. We're at Centrepoint Pizza. You can see that behind me. A couple of nice looking Hondas there, probably from Ruckus, the organizer of today. So let's go check them out. Alright, here we are, Centrepoint. Let's check out this Honda. With today's organizer, Ruckus. How you doing today?
Good, mate.
Tell us about yourself.
I'm Ruckus, washed out former drifter, now Honda nut, and just love my cars.
Cool. How come you organised the event today?
Well, a friend owns the place, new shop. It's good to get people around, see the place. It's perfect for it, and the food's awesome.
Any significance about Centrepoint Pizza? A bit of history there?
They're local guys, love their motorsport, into rally sprints and circuit racing around the state. Just a good bunch of guys.
Cool. And your cars, what have you got?
Today I've got my DC2 Integra, and my partner's EG6. Just light track mod fun cars.
Nice.
Cheap and cheap.
Any mods?
Just the usual VTEC engine swaps, coilovers, brake upgrades, sticky tyres. That's about all they need, really.
Are you tracking them?
Yeah, both.
Yeah? What events?
We've been doing the rally sprints there.
Excuse the noise.
And we're gearing up for the Bunbury sprint in June. Hopefully Targa Southwest next year.
Very nice. Tell us a little bit about Tempus Motorsport.
It's something we're trying to get going. We've worked in the disabled care industry. A lot of young guys who, just like any other young guy, all they want to do is race. We're trying to set up the cars to accommodate more disabled guys, get them in and out safely, and they can get a taste of the action.
Yeah, nice. What are the future plans for Tempus?
Hopefully organise some track days. We're going to work with Cars for Kids and just get as many events in as we can once we cut through some red tape.
Yeah, nice. And the inspiration was just from working with in that industry?
Yeah, look, these guys are great. I love it. Just like any other young dudes, they just want the same things as we do.
Yeah, cool. Cool.
There's not really any avenues for them at the moment.
What's your favourite food to order here at Centrepoint? What's your recommendation?
You can't go past the Big Rack. That's pretty killer.
The Big Rack? Sounds pretty good to me. Any events we need to keep our eyes open in the future?
Just the rally sprint series, the infinite time attacks. They're always good for love.
Awesome. Cool. Any other meetups planned?
We'd like to make this a regular thing.
Yeah?
It's a perfect spot for it. Yeah, it works for us.
Awesome. Cool. Sounds good. Rocket Thumb Garage will be at the next one, man.
Awesome.
Thanks for talking to us.
Too easy.
Cheers.
got into racing, yeah, not so much racing, to car building, doing all that type of thing just as a hobby. Kind of liked it. Interesting thing about this car was I was tossing up between early CRXs and the early MR2s. I happened to see this one sitting on top of another car at AAA. It's had a good poke around, you can see underneath it. No rust, looked all right. Okay, I'll buy it. So
how long ago was that?
That was 2005.
Oh, okay. I was like, what, 80? Wow. So 2005.
Kind of pulled it down and gave me a phone call and say it's down, it's ready to be picked up. Bonus, we put a battery on it and actually started.
The first time.
So that was probably for the first time in a couple of years.
Wow.
Kind of ran it with that engine for a couple of years. And then I put a V8 in it, because that was the thing you did with these cars in those days. So yeah, that was an adventure.
And you track it by the looks?
It has been tracked, been there for a couple of years.
Okay.
It goes round. It's faster than I am.
Yeah.
I've got it down. I've done just under 70 seconds around Barbagallo long track once.
That's all you need.
Usually 72 seconds. But yeah, it's been fun. It's been a lot of fun. Been on every corner.
Awesome. Future plans?
Basically just going to enjoy it. I'm doing there's a very similar car which was actually raced at Barbagallo for a number of years. It was built for a series in Japan by Mugen.
Oh wow,
and then was imported here, ran for about, I don't know, probably 10 or 12 seasons. And a mate and I bought it and we're very, very slowly bringing it back. So some of the bits in this will end up in that.
Awesome, good to hear.
This weekend, but yeah.
What's on this weekend?
Yeah, this weekend, I'm on holidays at the moment until Wednesday, so I'm thinking there's 3 days I can do something serious in, so that's about enough time to swap an engine across.
Cool, awesome, thanks for talking to us.
Pleasure.
Cheers. Thanks man, that's awesome. Appreciate it. Yeah, wicked.
Name's Alex. I had the car for about just over a year now. Great, you know, love Evos, always wanted one, so had a WRX before that, wanted more power and stuff like that, so went with the Evo. Everything you can see with it, cosmetically, all done by me. Previous owner did bolt-ons and stuff like that, but I mean, I've had my touch to it, so still going. Never finishes, so, but yeah.
Always good to hear.
Yeah.
I see lots of nice little finishing touches like with the garnishes and stuff like that.
So mostly when I got it, I wanted to put my touch in. I love carbon, not too much of it because it just doesn't look too good really for my liking. So as you see, a few carbon bits, lip, extensions, mirrors, diffuser and stuff like that. So, but yeah, getting there.
Cool, do you know the power?
Power is 370 at the wheels with 500 torque, so pretty maxed out for stock block.
Yeah, right.
So next is a stroker most likely, but we'll see how we go with that one.
Yeah, cool. Have you tracked it?
No track yet. Bound to, got my track rims and all that ready for it, so just got to find time for it.
Yeah, cool. Nice ride, man. Thanks for talking to us.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's a 96, built 96, registered 98. Dead stock engine, but all the suspension's been upgraded.
Nice.
It's got a spoon dampers and progressive springs. It's got all the spoon bushings done. Not tracked yet, planning to do it soon. It's going to put a clutch and flywheel in first.
Nice.
Then think I'll take them to a track.
Cool. How long have you had it for?
About a year now. It's great.
Cool. Future plans?
Future plans, hopefully get a K20 in there.
Nice.
In a year or two. But for now, I'm just pretty happy with the B.
And you like the open top?
Yes. Drive it with the open top more than I do with it on.
Yeah. Good to hear.
Yeah.
Luckily there's no rain today. Awesome, man. Thanks for talking to us.
Thank you.
Cheers, man.
I'm Cheese. I like everything. I don't really care. I'll buy any car as long as I can make it look good. This thing was pretty rough. It is at least a genuine Type R, but like the whole of the bodywork was completely ruined, and it had the original quad style headlights. So I've converted it to the JDM front, and then got it completely resprayed, customized the headlights, just some new wheels, and tidied up the interior with like fresh Recaros, stuff like that. It's basically just brought it back to how they should look, and basically made it clean. That's all I
Yeah, nice.
to do.
Don't know how much power you're pushing?
Stock.
Stock?
So
Cool.
yeah, like basically I would say 155 at the moment. Horsepower wise, they don't make much.
Yeah, but they're good fun.
Yeah. You see, I haven't even cleaned the engine bay. That's how stock it is, but it's all there.
Yeah.
So,
Cool. Have you tracked it?
not this one, but I do track other cars.
Yeah, yeah.
And yeah, so I kind of know what it will do, but yeah, they're fairly reasonable. Like they're just fun cars. So,
Cool.
yeah.
Future plans?
This one, unfortunately, will be sold.
Ah,
And then on to the next project.
donate for another.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. So something else, something more interesting. I've now made it look like what I want to, so I don't need to go any different. Yeah.
Yeah, fair, cool.
I'm happy with it now.
Sweet. That's what we want.
Yeah, man.
Good to hear. Thanks for talking to us, man.
Cool.